Welcome to the world of cutting edge science. Here in this video, topic of discussion is quantum tunneling and whether it has any link to gigantomastia. Okay, means you know that this link is unexpected normally. If you do not think deeply, then we can easily say that this link is unexpected. That's why this way the title is given. Okay, so topic is quantum tunneling and gigantomastia, whether they have a common link in between them. Okay, so that is the topic of discussion in today's video. So what is quantum tunneling? You know that quantum tunneling, this is what? This is a quantum phenomenon found only in the realm of quantum physics, not in the realm of classical physics. Because here what happens actually, there is a particle, say for example electron, it has some energy and there is a barrier. Okay, so question is whether that particle or the electron can move through, can tunnel through that barrier or not. That is the question. So according to laws of classical physics, this is not possible. This is impossible according to classical physics, but according to quantum physics, this is possible. And this occurs due to the wave-like nature of the electron or the quantum particle. You know, quantum physics deals with tiniest particles. Okay, so electron is such a particle. So according to quantum physics, this is possible, and the electron can tunnel through the barrier. And this occurs due to the wave-like nature of the electron. So, for wave-like nature, there is a wave function, and the wave function can never become zero. It may it may reduce exponentially, but cannot ever become zero due to the principle of superposition, due to uncertainty principle. There is always a possibility of tunneling through the barrier, even if the particle has not so much energy. If you compare the energies of the barrier and the energy of the particle, still this is possible, and this is known as quantum tunneling. And there are so many practical evidences of this, and scientists are successfully using this quantum phenomenon in different technologies like semiconductors, then tunnel diodes, then scanning tunneling microscopes. Again, in stars, this quantum phenomenon happens, and due to this, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium. Means in that case, hydrogen nuclei are going against the Coulomb's law of attraction or repulsion. Okay, so here in this case, it is repulsion. That means practical evidences are there. That means quantum tunneling is a real phenomenon. And gigantomastia, that is the another side of this story. In today's video, that is another side. Gigantomastia is what? Abnormal tissue growth of the breasts. Abnormal tissue growth. Size of the breast becomes larger than the usual. And that medical condition is known as gigantomastia, though that medical condition is actually rare. So this problem, I think that is known to you. The question is whether there is a link between that quantum effect, special quantum effect, that is quantum tunneling, and gigantomastia or not. Scientists have found that in case of enzymes, you know enzymes. In case of enzymes, molecules are there, electrons are there. That means protons are there, electrons are there. Molecules are there, that means protons are there, electrons are there. So scientists have found that in case of enzymes, reactions occur, and those reactions are responsible for cell growth and repair. That is known to you. So in case of enzymes, scientists have found that. Okay, that means I am talking about right now practical evidences. And this field is what? This field is biological field, the field of biology. Okay, and gigantomastia is a field of medical science. And of course, medical science is also a field of biology. So in the field of biology, scientists have found this result that enzymes, they have molecules, that means they have protons and electrons, and those electrons and protons are able to move across the barriers. And that way, there is an acceleration in the reaction process. That means the reaction process is accelerated by that quantum effect, quantum tunneling. Okay, so in case of scientists have found this result. So similarly, they are expecting that, because actually what happens in case of gigantomastia, the actual cause is still not fully understood by the scientists. But they are expecting that at the cellular level, okay, at the cellular level, such molecular interactions are there. At the cellular level, molecular interactions are present, that is known to everybody. But in those molecular interactions, something special happens, due to which there is an abnormal tissue growth of the breasts, and which is known as gigantomastia. Means there is some problem with the molecular interactions. Okay, similarly, scientists are expecting that, and they are investigating into this matter. Okay, researchers are investigating into this matter. Still, this is not clear to them whether this is true or not. But they are investigating, because they are expecting that some molecular faults are there. Means there is some problem with the molecular interactions at the cellular level. And that's why cellular and molecular level, there are some problems. And that's why gigantomastia is happening. That rare medical condition is found due to this problem. Normally, scientists, I have already mentioned that this condition, gigantomastia, is not fully understood. They are expecting that hormonal imbalances or some other reason may be there for which gigantomastia occurs. Okay, so similarly, they are expecting that so there may be an effect of quantum tunneling for which gigantomastia occurs. But what is the positive side of this? Yes, suppose later, after a few years or after a few months or after a few days, scientists have already found that yes, quantum tunneling is responsible for gigantomastia. If such be the condition, then in that case, scientists are able to control that quantum tunneling effect. So by controlling, we will be able to develop the treatment for gigantomastia. Because quantum tunneling, that is controllable. We are able to control that thing. If we find that, quantum tunneling, this is responsible for gigantomastia, quantum tunneling is affecting the molecular interactions in the breast cell tissue, and that way gigantomastia is happening, occurring, okay. So, in that case, we will be able to control that quantum tunneling effects, to control the molecular interactions, and that way we could be able to discover the required treatment for the gigantomastia. And not only gigantomastia, this is an emerging field. This is what? This is intersections of physics and biology, which is known as quantum biology, a new subject. It is an emerging field of study, quantum biology. And if scientists really find that quantum effects are not only quantum tunneling, if other effects are there, quantum superposition is there, quantum entanglement is there, such as you know that in the case of photosynthesis, quantum superposition, quantum entanglement, these are responsible. Again, in case of bird navigation through Earth's magnetic field, bird means I am talking about migratory birds. You know, they navigate thousands of miles. So they are using quantum entanglement, that effect in their eyes, one special molecule is there known as cryptochrome. And that cryptochrome takes the advantage of quantum entanglement, and that way the birds are able to sense the Earth's magnetic field, and that way they move across the globe easily. And the distance is what? Of the orders of thousands of miles. Though this is an emerging field of study, quantum biology, still scientists have already found so much results, positive results. And in each case, we will be able, if this is found to be true, that yes, quantum tunneling is responsible for gigantomastia, then scientists will be able to control that thing, and that thing means quantum tunneling effect, and that way they would be able to control the molecular interactions, and that way new medicines and new discoveries could be made possible. Could become possible, okay? Discoveries of treatments could become possible. So that was the topic of discussion in today's video. Okay. So still, that's why I have used the term unexpected, because still scientists have not found the truth behind this. Okay. Whether this is true or not, whether there is really a link between gigantomastia and quantum tunneling or not, that is still a question. That's why I have used the term unexpected link. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.